Hi, I'm Barbie.
That's our snowman. What is he?
He's lumpy.
How lumpy?
Very lumpy.
What'd I do?
You punched me.
Jenny!
Take videos of me when I'm trying to sleep, okay? I'm serious. Wrong way.
That's our snowman. What is he? How lumpy?
Allowed to take videos of me when I'm doing my happy times, okay?
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
No.
Valerie, you have to get dressed.
No.
Just get dressed. Get dressed.
No.
Get dressed.
I don't want to get dressed.
Get dressed.
What do you want?
Are we having a snowball fight? I found them! It's halfway down, but Christmas! I'm kind of stuck on a snowman.
What is your leg doing out here? Where's your other leg? So, what did I do?
You give children nightmares
Why?
because you're what they're afraid of under their beds.
Lucifer's coming to get you. Olivia, let me in.
Lisa, no!
You're a slut.
You're a whore.
Thanks, I know I am.
I know I am too.
Why don't you love me?
Oh, come love me right now, darling.
Oh my god! Why aren't you wearing a shirt?
Do you expect me to wear a shirt 24/7? Okay.
I don't want you to be naked.
Why not?
You're fat. That's the devil. Wait, no, never mind. That's the devil.
Oh yeah, hi. Welcome to hell. Oh.
Did you scrape your knee when you fell from heaven?
No, I scraped my knee when I came up from hell.
Pikachu, we're gonna have. Bitch, I'm bleeding back. Like a bummer bee. Hold up. I'ma eat that. That's me. Big ol' booty, bitch, Nexus from Texas. It's Nessa. I'ma see it on the nigga, go get you. With your niggas. That's everything in my life. You can have it when I finish. I hit the Taco Road, I'm shit, boy.
Hey, Josh.
I know you hurt
Ew!
things. Bitch, I know you hurt things.
Why? What did you do? Look at your face.
You just see like my. And this is us just being us. Thanks, Val.
Love you too.
Love you guys.